Do you know who this is?
La cucaracha?
This is Sarah Geronimo!
Yo plano fu, la panono tu, na banana la camupita mo, banana baba, banana potato, banana tukari no potato lika ni maroma ni kanotika, baba, banana.
Happy birthday on 3. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, sweetheart. I love you with all my heart. And may God bless you more this year. And I can't wait to see you on Christmas. I love you. Thank you for being the best ever to me, Joanne.
Happy birthday, Mami Rose. Wish namin na mag-asawa ka. Tsaka magka-baby ka na. Habang di ba huyang natin. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Sana po maging bata po kayo para akma yung age sa nagiging baby niya ni Tito Philip. At para pagdating niya ng grade 7 ay di na kayo age 50 kasi po masyadong masagwa. Yun lang po. At marami pong salamat sa mga gifts sa amin ng Christmas at saka yung pagpapasyal niyo po sa amin. Yun lang. Happy birthday, Mami Rose. Wish ko for your birthday good health. Tapos, ayun, good health, and long life, then, yun. Pakasal na. On baby na. Bye-bye. Ingat lagi dyan.
Birthday, Joe!
We love you!
I love you, Makita!
Tell your friends I said hi.
It's about her birthday, not her friend.
How young are you now?
How old are you now? You still not married. When are
that's
you
all right.
going to have a baby? We love you so much. Always stay pretty like me. And we love you so much. Always keep your faith up
Yes.
And you are such a blessing to everybody.
Yes.
We love you. Tell Mommy Ruth you love her.
I love you and I hope that you have a good day. And
Have
at
a
work.
good birthday. I love you.
We love you. Bye-bye.
Bye, Joe.
Bye.
Hi Mami, happy birthday. Thank you sa lahat sa pagsuporta, sa pagtuturo sa akin. And happy birthday. God bless you. I love you po.
Happy birthday? Mami? Ruth? Oh, gusto mo na siya. Smile. Who's beautiful? Who's beautiful? Adi. Hi mo siya. Hi, Mami Ruth. I love you.
You know what happiness is. You, hey, clap along if you feel